yeah, stomach ailment or upset, yeah.
Not eating the right kind of food.
Actually, ove ik be a ro haver. Does anyone know what sever
Not regularly, not eating
Anyone know
properly.
sever?
What?
The word sever. Sever is rich. So
Oh,
ro haver,
rich
too
food.
food, too rich food.
Richer food.
Ro haver.
Too rich.
Okay. Fichado catchline.
Tá dul chorus near ógach chorathe de Yaska an Amurka Olacon agus Ihanta Mala.
Okay, so ta the chorus nerogach. Chorus is system. So what do you think chorus nerogach is?
Nervous system.
Nervous system. Okay, the chorus nerogach. Chorecha,
Yes.
agitated, I guess would be a good word for that. I don't know if you know that one, but chorecha. The yaska an yomerka olachain. What do you think an yomerka olachain
Too
is?
much.
Yeah,
Drink?
yeah, drinking. Comes from all to drink. Olachain is drinking. I guess Ikan Tamala.
Every night.
Night?
Ikan Tamala. Know the word mall?
Late at night.
Late nights.
Late
Late
nights.
nights. Okay. And the yaska means because of. So your nervous system is agitated because of too much drinking and long nights. Okay. Fichatri Bob.
I guess kneel through Akli.
It's new to Akli. Now, it's related to Akliach.
What, you're not?
That's the word we had earlier. Yeah, he says, was it? Nihani and Akliach lom. So I don't like exercise. So kneel to Akli. You're not fit. You're not fit. Literally means something like supple or such, but it's related to that. But basically, you're not fit. Okay. Ficha cather catch thing.
Cade Elias atá agat sin a diaphragm column.
So kade and lightsata agat ershin.
What?
Does anyone know what the word lice means?
What?
Lice. Yeah. Lice is medicine.
So what kind of medicine are you
What?
going to give me?
You would think that's what it means. Okay, literally, it's it could actually be either what medicine or what solution do you have. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
The word lice is used generally. In this case, I guess it could it's medicine or solution, but okay.
Yeah.
Hajiri column,
Ask
asked column. Okay. Geall-Cuid Bob.
Not player Duche, Durch and Doctor, the Shadow.
That won't give you.
Nach leer ditche. Well, leer means leer is clear. So nach leer ditche.
Oh,
What do you think that means? Nach leer ditche. Isn't it clear to you? A dort and doctor shadow. Shadow. Sharply, bitterly, yeah. Okay, bitterly, but okay. Ficha catchling.
Mas mian laat bij en maar de slaantje ni more ditch an kinniel sail atá agat. Fui láthir a afro.
Okay, so must me and lad. I don't know what must me and that means.
You must.
If you want to, actually, if you want to, must me and that. Ve imar de slansha. The word slansha means tears or health. It's really literally health. So imar de slansha is at the top of your health. Okay.
Back to
If you want to be at the top of your health, ni mordich. You know what ni mordich means?
It is important for you.
You have to, yeah. Ni mordich and kinyal sail ta agat frilacher ahru.
Just have to change your lifestyle.
Change your way of life. Literally, and kinyal sail ta agat, the type of life that you have, frilacher now, ahru to change. Okay. Ficha Seacht Bob.
De war de boa sankran. De war de boa sankrankur, Geall tu, the gach me and the willen tu.
Okay. The war the bua sachran khor. What's bua sachran khor?
Something in the lotto.
Yeah, something in the lotto. Your victory in the lotto. You're winning in the lotto. The war means because of. So because of your winning in the lottery. Geall-Cuid. Anyone know Bob or Kathleen? Geall-Cuid. Geall means to give in. Geall-Cuid. So give in. You give in. The gach mian. Mian is similar to the word we had in the previous sentence. So it's a desire. Gach mian. A woolen-to.
Well, that's the beating you.
Yeah, that hits you or strikes you. So you
Strikes.
give in to every desire that strikes
Yeah,
you. Okay?
okay.
A woolen-to. Okay? Fichachocht Kathleen.
Tá tú ag íoc as an muis
Muish. Yeah.
sin inis.
Okay, so tatuig iak as an muish in an ish. Know the word iak, anyone? Iak is to pay. So tatu ig iak,
You will pay.
you are paying. Tatu ig iak as an muish in an ish.
Yeah?
No, not boss. Yeah, buish is kind of like foolishness. So.
Oh, now you're paying for your foolish.
Yeah. Yeah, a good threat to someone is iki to us, you'll pay for it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, fichani, Bob.
An í sin an tíon chuirle atá agad dom a Jeffrey column go mí hasta.
Okay, so an ishin and tain chorla ata agadom. Chorla,
Or less counsel.
counsel or advice. So an ishin and tain chorla ata agat.
Any advice for me?
Is that the only advice? And tain chorla ata agat that you have dom for me. A jiri column do mi hasta. Column asked. Go mi hasta. Miserably, yeah. Yeah. Good word.
Oh, unsatisfied.
So then he's not that happy with the doctors.
That being unsatisfied?
Excellent. Yeah.
He's not happy with the doctor, and the doctor is not that happy with this rich kid that's,
Pays
Yeah.
50 guineas to hear this.
well, that's the going rate. I know that firsthand.
That was Europe, not me.
Well,
What's more?
The story here. It starts off Hug and Doctor Srak Echans an Goli Hostasach of Eir Cholam. So the doctor glanced at the expensive suit Cholam had on. Literally in Irish, the doctor gave, so Hug and Doctor, Srak Echans, which is a glance. Kind of Echans being a look, Srak Echans being a glance. And he gave a glance onto an Goli Hostasach. Goli is a suit. Hostasach is costly, so Koli is feminine, so you have an aspiration on Hostasach to become Hostasach. So an Goli Hostasach, a V Cholam, that was on Cholam. Okay, or that Cholam had on. Okay? So, so the way you glance at something, you give a Srak Echeinch on it. Okay? So, Hog and Doctor, Strak Echeinch, an Goli Hostasach, a V Cholam.
Srak by itself is good.
No, Fecheinch, well, you don't really use it as a verb. So, Strak Echeinch together is a glance. Fecheinch is from Fechal, it's related. Okay? And then he asks, Nach tu over erbe. Don't you do any work at all? Okay? And this is the present tense of the verb, so we're going to actually look at a few verbs in the present tense. Okay? So, present tense in Irish is used when you want to ask a question as to what someone does regularly. Okay? So an example is question A, what do you do in the morning? Cad a yenin to imagine. Okay. So it's different than Katarinyatu. Katarinyatu is what did you do? Okay? Or Katatatu Jana.
What are you doing?
What are you doing right now? Okay, or yeah, right now. Or Kad V2.
Going to do?
That's actually Kadavitu Jana. What were you doing? Okay? Yeah, what were you doing? Kadavitu Jana, or literally something like, what were you at doing? Okay?
Now why is, with carrot it's egiano,
Carrot and Kad is the same.
but with carrot toshe egiano?
Egjanov or Ayanov.
Oh, you got your choice then.
You can say Egjanov or Ayanov.
Oh, okay.
How would you say, what did you do?
Katarinyatu, that's this one.
Oh.
So that